Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Honorable judges, and greetings to all curious minds and fellow wonders of wonder. As we assemble here, I, Afra Jundia Afifa from Jannatun Naim International College Boarding School, please allow me to embark on an intellectual expedition. So, fasten your mental seatbelts because the sea of knowledge is about to get started. तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए तुम्हें न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए अब तो मेरा दिल जागने सोता है क्या करना है कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करना है कुछ कुछ होता है I know exactly what's on your heart's mind right now. I believe you guys are wondering why I suddenly sang you a song, right? Right. Hold on to your horses, everyone. Before I tell you why, allow me to ask several questions first. Are you familiar with the previous song?
Yes.
What is the title of the movie?
Hey.
Who is the main male character in the movie?
Bukan.
Well, let me bring you to our phenomenal and inspirational public figure, which we call Rahul in his famous movie Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, aka Shah Rukh Khan. From researches that I found on Mr. Google, Mr. Khan has approximately more than 90 movies, and almost half of them are considered successful. I mean, who is not familiar with Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, My Name is Khan, and even his latest movie, Father, is considered one of the blockbusters of all time. He's also a great father to his children and a great husband to his wife. But here's the thing, everyone. To shine like the sun, you must burn. Everything has its own consequences and obstacles. What we have to have are commitment, a strong willingness, and strong mentality. From this figure of Mr. Khan, we can get the example that to be able to shine like him. Like you can see him now, there were many obstacles to pass. Several of his films underperformed at the box office. He was unable to establish his own production company. He suffered a severe injury during filming and had to endure numerous surgeries. Shah Rukh Khan received a great deal of backlash on social media after he made a statement about the nation's increasing intolerance. Some users were offended by the actor's remark and demanded that his films be completely banned in the country. Now, the question is, did he give up on his career?
No.
Did all the previous controversies stop him from making a new movie?
No.
Yes, exactly. Definitely no. He became stronger, more confident, and more successful. Ladies and gentlemen, you see, before being able to stand up in front of you all, I also felt like it was impossible. I felt like I didn't have the ability to even have an easy conversation with someone, especially if the conversations were in English. But I have this flame deep inside of me, so I prayed to Allah to give me guidance and courage. I asked my parents for suggestions and I approached my teacher, Miss Sari and Mr. Bayu, for some advice. Before finally being elected as a representative, there were several candidates who were all great speakers. It almost made me give up. But again, Allah, my parents, my teachers, and of course, the flame inside of me will always have my back and will never let me stop shining. Sleepless nights passed with all the practice. And Alhamdulillah, this is me now, a girl who fights her own fears and worries. Finally, we have come to the end of my speech today. I'm really sorry if I hurt someone's feelings with my speech, and I'm more than thankful if this will help you in any way. The last suggestion for me is that if you feel like you have no courage to step up to the next level of yourself, just remember that every person has their own flame. You just need to trigger that flame and burn it so you can feel the heat of the burning fire and shine like the sun. Thank you so much for your attention. I'm Afra Jundia Afifa from Jannatun International College Boarding School. The last I say is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.